Welcome to my channel. Let's solve and check this word problem. The sum of three consecutive integers is 102. Find the integers. Based on this statement, it was not specifically mentioned that numbers that are consecutively identified are not even or odd. It was just indicated that numbers are consecutive or integers. Let's find out. First, identifying the first number. Let x be the first number. Then, let x plus 1 be the second number. Then, x plus 2 be the third number. We have formulated the expressions. According to the statement or the problem, the sum is 102, meaning you have to add all these expressions, including that single variable. So let's do it this way. Let's put letter A, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals 102. Since we have exactly the same variables, single variables per expression, we have x plus 1, and x plus 2. You can just simply combine them because they are exactly alike. So all you have to do is combine them, x plus x plus x. Okay, combining all the variables, and then combine all the constants. Oh, we have two constants here, 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2. Okay, copy 102. Okay, x plus x, that's 3x. Plus 1 plus 2, that's 3. Okay, copy again the 102. Now, we have this numerical coefficient and we have constant. So, combine the alike terms. We're going to remove this 3 and transfer to the other constant or combine it with the constant number. So in order to do it, since this is positive 3, put negative 3. Okay, negative 3 to make it 0 or to eliminate. So left, writing negative 3 at the left, and then negative 3 at the right. Let's now eliminate. Okay. Copy the remaining expression. 3x. Okay, subtract 102 minus 3, which is 99. Okay. Divide by itself so that the variable itself remains. So cancel. Okay, let's proceed here. There's no other space. So x, and then divide 99 by 3, which is 33. Okay, we have the value for x, which is actually the value on the first number. Okay, let me write here. Let x be 33. Okay. Then substitute the 33 to the next numbers or remaining numbers. Meaning, let's replace, since this is x plus 1, okay, so 33 plus 1 equals 34. And then for the third number, which is x plus 2, okay, replace 33 again, plus 2 equals 35. We have now the 3 consecutive integers, positive integers, 33, 34, 35. Now, in order to know if these integers are correct, let's do checking. Okay. Let us see if these numbers add up to 102. That would be the best strategy in order to know if you end up with the correct answer. So let's add them all. 33 plus 34 plus 35 equals 102. Okay, 102 equals 102. Which means that these 3 positive integers are correct. It's very obvious that these are consecutively indicated. I hope you have understood well my explanation. Thank you so much.